has been suffering from drought. The people have been starving for months.
I have been watching the crops fail every season. I must find a solution soon, because my people have been losing hope.
He has been worrying about the future of Beijing. The drought has lasted longer than anyone expected.
The princess has heard about the suffering in the Peking. She has been praying for peace between the kingdoms.
Inilah kisah legenda Roro Jonggrang. Sebuah
If Prambanan has fertile lands and water, why should my people suffer? I will go to war.
wajah nan rupawan bagaikan bintang.
He has been preparing his army for weeks. They are ready to march tomorrow.
The soldiers have been training day and night. The one to bring victory to Peking. War had been brewing for weeks. The people of Prambanan were unaware of the coming danger. The war began suddenly. Battles raged fiercely. Bandung Bondowoso had been fighting bravely.
I have been fighting non-stop to save my people. Victory will be ours soon. I have been watching the war from the palace. I heartbroken over my father's death.
The princess has been strong despite her sorrow. She will not surrender to Bandung Bondowoso.
I have conquered Prambanan. Now I want Roro Jonggrang to be my wife.
You killed my father. I never marry you unless you build me 1,000 temples in one night.
That's an impossible task, but I accept your challenge.
Princess has been playing the trick Bandung Bondowoso. She does not want to marry him. All night long, Bandung Bondowoso and his workers have been building temples swiftly.
Roro Jonggrang, apa yang kau pikirkan? Bandung Bondowoso telah datang. Ketika
We have been working without rest. By dawn, the temples will be finished.
The princess has been lighting fire to mimic dawn and pounding rice to make noise.
I have been doing everything I can to make him fail. When the fight thought afraid, Bandung Bondowoso hurried, but the complex were incomplete.
I have been tricked. I was so close to finishing, but now I have failed. Since you tricked me, I will curse you forever.
Bandung Bondowoso cursed Roro Jonggrang, turning her into stone. She became the third statue completing the complex forever.
Though I'm turned to stone, my spirit will live forever.
This story has been told for generations as a warning and a legend.
Kingdom has changed with the memory of Roro Jonggrang and Bandung Bondowoso remains.